Welcome to Periwinkle Estates, Bayside, New Brunswick. Just a few minutes from St. Andrews, St. Stephen, and the U.S. border. Today we are on lot 14, which has been sold, and they just started putting the road in to start construction very shortly. This is an oceanfront lot, and there are still some more oceanfront lots available as we speak. Although they are going fast, we just sold another one this morning. This is a great lot. It's over 2 acres. As you can see, it's going to be an awesome place to put your dream home. We'll take a walk down to the ocean front. Again, this is lot 14, which is sold. Again, as you can see, we're now coming upon the St. Croix River in the Passamaquoddy Bay. Beautiful water frontage. This over here, that would be the point on lot 15. And over to this point on the left, that would be lot 13. Hope you enjoyed this tour of lot 15 or in 14 down on Periwinkle Point Estates. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact myself, Realtor Michael Jackson with Exit Realty Specialist. Love to help you out the best way that I can.